For Your Money is brought to you by NelsonCorp Wealth Management.
It's now time for Your Money. We're joined by John Nelson, financial advisor at NelsonCorp Wealth Management. Welcome back, John.
Thank you for having me, Brandy.
So vehicle inventory and supply has been in the news lately. Could you share your thoughts on that?
Yes, it has. There's been a lot of discussion on that, especially recently with some of the UAW strike and a tough scenario overall for everyone involved, especially with the big three in Detroit. But what we're seeing now, a number of months where things were improving, and I've got a graphic with me here today that illustrates this a little bit, that just shows, up until 2020, this was very calm. There was not much volatility either direction. But since that time in the pandemic, we've seen a lot of volatility in this space for used car prices, new and used. But what we're seeing here is a little bit of a tick up in overall pricing. And I would fully expect, with some of the challenges that are facing, a lot of inventory problems, this is probably going to continue in this fashion.
Okay, so what do you think this means for inflation going forward?
Yeah, inflation, the Fed's done a good job of, bringing inflation down. They've trying to get to their 2% target. I think that's going to take a little longer than originally projected by many. But these used vehicle prices, housing overall playing into that component too, I think it's just going to take more time than many had hoped from the start. Hopefully things are short-lived with UAW negotiations right now, but we will see, and definitely a big component playing into the inflation numbers.
If you missed any of our discussion, we'll make it available for you on ourquadcities.com.